A steel-cold fear grips Russian tank crews, the clang of tank treads on hardened ground, the acrid smell of diesel and cordite. These are familiar sensations to a seasoned tank crew, a symphony of steel and fire that signals the terrible beauty of mechanized warfare. But for Russian tank crews facing the Swedish Strv 122, these sensations carry a new note: fear. Word has spread from the front lines, whispered tales of a tank that outclasses their own, a tank that can strike from a distance with pinpoint accuracy, a tank that seems impervious to their best weapons. This is not propaganda. This is the reality of the Strv 122. The fear is not unfounded. The Strv 122 is not simply another main battle tank. It's a testament to Swedish and German engineering prowess, a machine designed to dominate the modern battlefield. For Russian crews operating aging T-72, B-3Ms and even the vaunted T-80 BVMs, the Strv 122 represents a dangerous adversary. It's a stark reminder that the battlefield has evolved and their machines may no longer be enough. The Strv 122 is not a weapon born of aggression. It is rather a product of necessity, a recognition by the Swedish military that neutrality is best guaranteed by strength. In the late 1990s, Sweden embarked on an ambitious program to modernize its armored forces. They needed a tank capable of facing the very best the world could offer. The result was a partnership with Germany, a nation renowned for its armored warfare expertise. Drawing on the proven Leopard 2 platform, the Swedes, with German collaboration, crafted a machine tailored to their exacting specifications. The Strv 122 is not merely a copy of its German cousin. It is a distinct beast designed for the unique challenges of Scandinavian warfare, fast-paced engagements over challenging terrain where firepower and survivability are paramount. At the heart of the Strv 122 beats the Rheinmetall Arch 120/L44, a 120mm smoothbore cannon that is a masterpiece of modern artillery. This isn't just a gun, it's a scalpel in the hands of a skilled crew capable of delivering devastating firepower with pinpoint accuracy. The RH 120/L44 is more than a match for the armor found on most Russian tanks. The Swedes didn't stop there. They coupled this fearsome weapon with advanced fire control systems, allowing gunners to acquire and engage targets with unmatched speed and precision. Swedish tank crews train relentlessly, honing their skills to a razor's edge. They practice in all conditions, learning to exploit every advantage their machine offers. Section 4, a shield of innovation, armor and active defenses. The Strv 122 is more than just a powerful gun on tracks. It's a fortress on the move, boasting a comprehensive suite of armor and active defense systems designed to defeat a wide array of threats. The tank's layered armor is a marvel of modern engineering, incorporating composite materials and spaced armor to provide exceptional protection against kinetic energy penetrators and shaped charges. But the Strv 122's defenses go beyond passive armor plating. It's equipped with an active protection system that can detect and neutralize incoming rockets and missiles before they even hit the tank. This system, combined with its advanced armor, makes the Strv 122 a tough nut to crack, even for the most determined adversary. Section 5, Electronic Guardian, the Defensive Aid Suite Advantage. Modern warfare is about more than just brute force. It's about situational awareness, about knowing what your enemy is doing before they do it. This is where the Strv 122 truly excels. It's fitted with a state-of-the-art Defensive Aid Suite, a suite of sensors, jammers and countermeasures that give the crew an unparalleled understanding of the battlefield. The DAS acts as the tank's electronic guardian, constantly scanning for threats and providing the crew with a 360-degree view of the battlefield. It can detect laser beams used for targeting, jam enemy communications, and even deploy smoke grenades to obscure the tank's position. Section 6. A new era of warfare, the Strv 122's impact. The Strv 122 is a game-changer. It represents a new era of tank warfare, one where technology and tactical acumen are just as important as raw firepower. For Russian tank crews accustomed to relying on brute force, the Strv 122 is a rude awakening. It underscores the need for adaptation, for new tactics and strategies to counter the evolving threat on the battlefield. The Strv 122 is a potent symbol of Swedish strength and a stark warning to potential adversaries. It is a reminder that the balance of power on the modern battlefield is constantly shifting, and that technological superiority can be a decisive factor in any conflict.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.